Hello everyone, welcome back to Charming LED. This is Tina. Last time we took everyone to visit our exhibition here, and today we will take a close look at one of our main products, 𝗂𝗏 Tube Light. Let's take a look at the U30 model I'm holding as an example. The 30 represents its cross-sectional dimensions. Flexible size. This is our standard 1 meter size, and we also offer 0.5 and 0.25 size, and supports DMX 512 control. Energy saving and environmental friendly. The LED lighting source using high-efficiency LED chips and a PC cover, resulting in low energy consumption, safety, and durability. Wider application suitable for tube lighting applications such as building outline and facades, all combined into large medium walls for stunning video playback. Well, that's all for the U30 Tube Light introduction. Which products would you like to see next? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. See you next time.